looking to learn Arabic calligraphy in the Nastaliq and Farsi script, then this video is for you. Hey everybody, this is Muhammad Harun from Canvas Wonders, helping you create something worth wonders today. For those of you that don't know who I am and are new here, I'm an Arabic calligrapher and a self-taught graphic designer. I help people beautify their homes with Arabic calligraphic artworks, and here on YouTube, I help people learn calligraphy with useful tips and tutorials. If that's something that interests you, then make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon not to miss another video. Today's lesson, we will learn how to script the two forms of the letter Kaaf. Let's get started. The letter Kaaf is scripted in 3 strokes. The first stroke is an alif of 4 units. The second stroke is the extension of the ba kashida. The final stroke is a diagonal stroke. Let's measure up. The vertical alif is measured 4 units. The ba kashida is 9 to 11 units in length. 1 unit space from the connecting point of the ba kashida. The diagonal stroke is 4 units in length. The letter Ghaaf. The letter Ghaaf has the same principles as the letter Kaaf, only with an additional diagonal stroke. This letter is in Urdu and Farsi and is not used in the Arabic language. The letter Ghaaf is scripted in 4 strokes. The first stroke is an alif of 4 units. The second stroke is the extension of the regular ba. The third stroke is a diagonal stroke. The final stroke is also a diagonal stroke centered. Let's measure up. The vertical alif is measured 4 units. The regular ba is 3 units in length. The diagonal stroke is 4 units in length and 2 units in height. The final centered diagonal stroke is 2 units. Half a unit space from the connecting point of the ba. Check out lesson 3 to recap the letter ba and the ba kashida. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Question of the day. What is your favorite ink color? Let me know in the comment section below so I can make more videos around this. Like if you like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and check out the other videos I have on this channel, because I'm sure they'll bring you a lot of value. Thank you so much for watching this video, and as always, may peace be with you.